On my music video with 412 views as of right now, I made
I'm more than on that beat.
I've been moving problems, starting trouble with me.
Welcome back to the vlogs on Terry Customs. I'm doing a new video style that's going to involve a bit more vlogging in the everyday to day video where I will sit down and I will unbox and I will talk and I will do a lot of different stuff in the vlog, but it will be primarily me walking around vlogging, making it a little bit more interesting for you guys, not just me sitting at my futon the whole time doing a bunch of nothing. So as you guys did see, I am revealing how much I made from the music video in this vlog today. Now I'll probably be vlogging mostly after school, but if I have a discussion every video, the vlog's gonna have to be extremely long and I can probably vlog after school every single day. New merch today, I'm pretty excited about that, but right now we're gonna sit down and unbox this quick little package for y'all. Hopefully my address isn't right on there. Nah, we straight. We're gonna unbox this little quick package for y'all. I also apologize for the lack of uploads and content since the music video. It was kind of a busy time and I did get sick. I've been sick. I'm still sick right now, but I'm better. I'm back at school, you know, chilling. I got sick over the weekend, which was fortunate and unfortunate at the same time. But let's not waste any time and unbox this, y'all. I know what it is because it told me when it arrived. I've been ordered a bunch of little eBay packages to show you guys and people at school because I'm looking to sell some more stuff. So I'm not going to reveal how much I paid for this, but just know it is dope. It's a case for my iPhone X. Check it. It's got gold bumpers. Let me get it out and I'll show y'all. Okay. Oh no. Assembly steps. Install the bottom, put the top on. Simple enough.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Snug fit. Snuggly fit. But snapped into place. That's interesting. It's user error. It's more simpler than I think I'm making it. Just gotta get this side panel in. So it actually was pretty easy to put on. Check out that gold action. That's crispy with my iPhone X, you know. And I got the Supreme background, so it goes really well. I'm really liking it. I like the feel. It wasn't that hard to put on. I just had to read the Chinese type instructions and follow the steps, and that helped me literally instantly. Put the top on. Simple enough. I was putting it on wrong. But yeah, pretty crispy. I like it. Probably gonna head to the store a little bit with my mom, and then I'm gonna get in talking about how much money I made on that music video. So I don't have the time right now, but it's coming. Just wait on it, y'all. It's coming in the vlog. Stay tuned, and I'll reveal it at the end. Just ordered SneakerCon tickets. Back at the crib now after the store. Now, unfortunately, my music video has more dislikes than likes, man. What is it? People just don't like me. I'm gonna make a separate video reading the hate comments in the comment section down below in that video, but that's besides the point. On my music video with 412 views as of right now, I made 36 cents. Now, a lot of you probably think it was higher, you know, because I put so much time, I put so much effort, but no, this YouTube stuff is really a hard gig, so that's why we appreciate when you guys like the videos, when you comment stuff down below, and when you subscribe if you're new to the channel, because it does mean a lot. And it does help everybody's channel out when you subscribe and you like, because you guys get to watch some good content. We get good feedback and it helps us out, you know, on the revenue side a little bit, but not really. So as you guys can see, this stuff doesn't really pay the greatest at, say, a channel my size or smaller. So I got Alexa now, one of the most useful things in my room. Alexa, set an alarm for 7 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Alarm set for 7 a.m. tomorrow.
Good luck. But yeah, SneakerCon is in 2 weekends. I'm super psyched. Actually 3 total weekends, but that's besides the point. It's still coming up very soon. I got some good stuff coming, and it's gonna be banger vlogs at SneakerCon, that's for sure, but banger vlogs always. I'm really debating making a video of me switching back over to my Samsung for a week that I used like the end of last year, which was not the worst time, but not the best time, you know, in downgrading from an iPhone X. That would be quite the struggle. So if you want to see that video, comment some down below. Like, let me know you guys want to see that video. There will be a link in the top right hand corner of the screen to go watch my music video, but there will also be a link at the end of the video to click on, you know, like one of those links on the screen that you guys can go click on, and it'll take you to the music video if you guys want to see, because I want to thank you guys for watching this video. That's how much I got paid, you know. Could have been worse, but could have been better as well. So if you did enjoy, make sure you drop a like on this video. Comment something down below what videos you want to see me produce, and if you like this new little vlog style / sit down, like move around a little bit more video, not just me sitting there the whole time. And subscribe if you're new to the channel and want to see more of my amazing content. I'll catch you guys in the next one, probably tomorrow, but I'm not sure. You know, if I'm feeling better, a lot better, I'll film a little bit more, but I'm still not feeling the greatest. I'm out.
Trying to keep it peaceful, it's a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. Friends be on that remix before that shit release. Ducking every single trash rapper I see.